So, are you girls ready to climb the nipple?
Sure. Yes. I'm
All
very
right.
excited about the nipple.
Before you have any crazy thoughts in your mind, the nipple actually called Pu'u Wai'ahilahila, which is a mountain peak here on Oahu. It's a very rarely climbed peak. A lot of people don't even know about it. It looks very pointy. I think that's how he got the name the nipple. I climbed this mountain like 5 years ago with a couple of friends, Scott, Ben, and Randy. So if you guys watching this video, put a comment and let me know what is your first thought comes into the mind when you think about our adventure. I kind of know, but yeah, it was definitely fun. So today we're gonna go up. Stacy never been there, so it's gonna be a nice adventure. And we're gonna come down an exciting ridge, Pu'u Ridge, which has some rock scrambling. So hopefully it's gonna be some extra fun for you guys to watch. Well, not sure if you guys realize, but there is no trailing here. We are kind of following that gulch. There's definitely one disadvantage hiking with friends. If you're shooting a video, by the time you set up the shot, you take the video, you look up, and they disappear. Do they gonna wait for you? Nah. They don't hear it now, but when they gonna rewatch this video, oh yeah, you see yourself, Stacy and Chrissy. Yeah.
I mean, if someone wearing a mask does climb, because when you cough, but yeah, and I'm oh, wait a minute, now I can see it. A boob with a nipple.
Yep.
The nipple.
Yeah. Well, as you guys can see, we arrived to the Uluhe land. Woo! Almost had high Uluhe, but the trail is still alive. I'm surprised because not a lot of people comes out here. You can still follow the Uluhe with the girls. Let's see them. That's pretty fun, yeah?
Make me a sick person. I'm much better than I was.
What do you guys think about the Uluhe?
It's so tall.
Very tall.
It's pretty cool.
You should get Stacy like forcing herself through it.
It's enjoyable.
Oh,
Ooh.
no.
It's like a spider
Come on,
web.
Stacy. There's the nipple. Who's in the bush? Chrissy!
Seen them there before. And I do see them. They're really smart. See what they were at the top. Are you done with?
Yeah. Woo! Ah!
Well,
Woo!
you were
Good work.
doing
Good work, Chrissy. So we made it up to the nipple, Pu'u Wai'ahilahila. This is one of those little peaks, just about 1200 feet, which might sound like, oh, it's such a short peak, but to get here actually takes some time. You need to navigate some old trails, some off trail, but pretty amazing to be here. There is some beautiful views to the North Shore, so pretty cool. So for some reason in the last years I've seen these geodetic markers disappear from a lot of peaks, and Pu'u Wai'ahilahila still has the geodetic marker, which is pretty awesome. If you know the reason why they disappear, just put it in the comment section. I'm really curious what's happening here. And now I guess we are ready. Ready? To do some more bushwhacking. The exciting part comes, we're gonna go back on Punaiki Ridge. Definitely one of the benefits of hiking with friends when you're shooting a video, that you can fly your drone and take some amazing shots of them, and you don't have to rely on your drone automatic settings, which can be sometimes faulty. On this climb here.
I like the nipple and the climby bits on the top.
Cool. And the bushwhack?
No.
We're gonna ask then Stacy. She loves bushwhacking.
The bushwhacking wasn't as bad as it could have been, but I preferred the rock scrambling over the bushwhacking.
So as your first time on the nipple, what do you think?
I have to say it was less exciting than I was expecting.
Oh my god. Well, we have to make it more exciting next time.
Yep.
Okay, so there is one tip if you come out for bushwhacking. Never ever come with shorts, because you're gonna look like me. Another amazing day out here in Hawaii, a fun adventure. We didn't do this for a long time. It was really cool. Some scrambling, some bushwhacking, getting to top of beautiful peak. Amazing. So I hope you've seen something new today. I bet you never heard about the nipple before, or if you did, leave me a comment. I will believe you. Well, thank you guys for joining for another cool adventure. If you like the video, press the like button, that will help out my channel, and subscribe if not yet, and see you next time. Aloha.